everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing and trying on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This box is $21, I believe. I'll have to put it down in the description box below because I never can remember exact price of it. But you get 5 full-size items in the box. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dive right in. Let's see here. What is the first thing that it shows? Alright, so the first thing that it shows in the box, which I've already used today, is the SLMISSGLAM eyeshadow brush trio. It's 3 eyeshadow brush, eye blending, a eye angled shadow, and an eyeshadow brush. This retails for $45. So some pretty expensive brushes for just 3 of them. One of the things that I did notice about it though is, let me see if I can't get it to focus on it real quick here. Let me bring them all to the front. They have these little gemstones on the brushes that are really cute. I like that a lot. Alright, so the next thing that is in the box is, let's see, what is the next thing in the box? It is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I actually have a small container of this that was given to me in my Ipsy bag, not my Ipsy, in my BoxyCharm, and it works really good. I do like it as a lotion or body cream, I guess that's what they consider. So it's a fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. So I do really like this a lot. This retails for $20. Then let's see here. The next thing in the box is from Makeup Geek, and it is a foiled lip gloss. And let's see here. This is the color. It's very pretty, very Christmassy looking. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that on real quick and we'll see how that looks. That is some pigmented lip gloss. So that is what that looks like. I don't know if I said it or not, but that retails for $12. The next thing in the box is from Tarte. This is Make Every Moment Count Cheek Palette. This retails for $32. And we're going to go ahead and try that on. And this is what it looks like. It comes with 3 different, comes with 3 different So this is what it looks like. It comes with 3 different blush colors. I am going to use this one here on the corner. It is called Learn. Very pretty, very pigmented. So I like that a lot. Alright, and then looks like the last thing in the box is from Dr. Brant. So the last thing that's in the box is from Dr. Brant, and this is the Needles No More Baggage Eye-Depuffing Gel. This retails for $42. So it basically all skin types, Eye-Depuffing. So basically it just kind of gets rid of the bags from underneath your eyeballs. But that is everything that was in the box. This month's box totaled up to $151, which is a great price comparison to what you're actually paying for the box for. So highly recommend checking it out. If you're already subscribed to Ipsy, you may want to upgrade to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because you're actually getting full-size items. That was the main reason I swapped over, is because instead of getting all these little samples, I wanted the full-size products. So I want to thank you for watching. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Again, I thank you for watching and you have a great day.